How to check followers on private Instagram account. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check followers on a private Instagram account. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app and search for the profile you're curious about. Now, if that account is private, you'll immediately notice that you can't see their followers or following list. No matter what you tap or where you look, Instagram simply doesn't allow you to view that information unless the account owner approves you. So here's the honest truth. There is no trick, hack, or setting that lets you see the followers of a private account without permission. The only legitimate way is to send them a follow request and wait for them to accept it. Once they approve your request, you'll be able to see their followers and following list like normal. Now, if you don't want to send a follow request from your main account, one option is to use an alternate or secondary account. This could be a backup or demo account. From there, you can send a follow request and see if they accept it. If they do, then you'll be able to view their followers from that account instead. And that's really it. If the account stays private and they don't approve your request, there's no way to see their followers. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.